The VSE4781 is designed for the removal and installation of the rear mounting bush on the front lower wishbone on the following vehicles: the Seat Cordoba Mark III from 2003 onwards, the Skoda Fabia from 2000 onwards, and the Volkswagen Polo Mark IV. The great advantage of this tool is that it can be used with the wishbone in situ on the vehicle. However, for improved clarity, we've shown the procedure with the wishbone removed. Before proceeding, thoroughly clean the area surrounding the bush and lubricate the threaded rod. The rod should be cleaned and lubricated each time the tool is used. For removal, use the silver adapters. First, screw the small adapter onto the short threaded end of the rod with the ridge side facing inwards. Now position the large adapter over the bushing as shown. Then insert the rod with the removal plate from the rear. Screw the nut onto the rod. Then check for alignment and reposition if necessary. A 24mm spanner is all you need to pull the bush through. Do not use power or air tools with this tool. Turn the nut clockwise to remove the bush. If resistance is felt, stop, remove the tool and realign. For installation, use the gold adapters. Firstly, screw the small adapter onto the short threaded end of the rod with the ridge side facing inwards. Now pass the bolt through the bush from the rear. Then position the large adapter over the rod and up to the bush. Check the vehicle manual for correct bush alignment. Next, screw the nut onto the rod. Then, using a 24mm spanner, turn the nut clockwise to push the bush into the wishbone. If resistance is felt, stop, remove the tool and realign. The VSE4781 makes a tedious job quick and simple, saving valuable time and effort.